Hello guys, welcome on board and start working night shift. I need coffee here. I need a cappuccino. This cappuccino machine. To machine cappuccino. Okay. Okay.
This is not working. This is not working. Only this one.
Start. Okay.
Just you have that.
Kami cappuccino dulu. Nya kaban kami tadi nya buat akhir. Cappuccino ko nya dalam buah. Kita tu suri to. To nama kapal to Scandiera. Kami ngagak post tension itu. Pilih.
Sini ngõ tôi để nó đi ngõ nó.
Ni sai. Nah, dai. Itu ya mata. Dia kapalnya. Katanya tadi lu gawa apa? Dah kena tindu hari ini ntar. Kan orangnya, hello guys, go. Lagi buat nama tu soyo itu. Aja gigak set pecah. Ya, peluang ngadu ke mattress itu. Main hari itu. Pada sunset.
It's right here, right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the
Orang kerja.
tree and said some of them were from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying, cause daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, but his job was to keep the food. Someone broke in and stole it, and I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seems like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back on the Chalmers in the flat, one bedroom apartment, and dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile on the bar.